Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5068861. Because of this error code install error, that is 0x80071a2d. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. So go to Windows Update and then hit pause over here. And once paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, you can start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down here, you can see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness over here, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once done, now you can try to update it once again. Still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you open command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All the commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then you run the second scan. So copy the second command and paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command and then paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here, write down the name of the update, that is KB5068861 over here. And then you can click on search over here. Now over here, type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. You will see the Windows version over here, that is version is 25H2 in my case. Now check the system type, open system settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. And then over here, in my case, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5068861 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and then you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. For this, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option, scroll down, click on recovery option, and then here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. When you run this exe file, click on accept and then select Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. So just click on next over here and then select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save and then let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically. This will take few seconds or maybe a minute to close. So let it close, then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file and then make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. And once this process will take some time. And once this is done, now you can log into the computer and then try to update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.